All right, today I'm going to walk you through step by step on things that have been bothering and the question you guys have been asking me. So, if you want to make money online, there are things you can do. And the number one thing that will make you money online is transactions. Okay? You have to exchange something with something. That is what can make you money online. So when people come to my inbox, so I'm going to give you three strategy that is going to help you. If you have them now, then you are going to make a lot of money. If you have them now, I mean, you should be making money right now. So the number one thing is audience. So no one is going to tell you you should have audience before you can make money. They only tell you you can make money, but you need audience. So that is the number one thing. And the number two is offer. Okay, offer is very important, but audience. If you have audience, you will make a lot of money even without offer. Then the number three thing is strategy. So since you have offer and you have audience, then you need how to make it work. Okay, let's say for example, if you are going for a football match and you want to win that match, because it is not because you played the match that made you to win. It is how you play it. Okay, whatever you are doing, it is how you do it that make you to win, and not what you do. Okay, we both are hustler, but it is how you do your own, how unique it is. That is what make you to win. Okay, hope you understand now. Like I said, we have two strategy: offer and audience. Then we have strategy. Okay, for example, I develop a strategy for myself and I call it HVCO formula. Okay, which is the strategy I use. So how do you get audience? Let's say for example now, if you see people like Pella, one of the best Nigeria TikToker, he doesn't have offer, and I'm not sure if he have a strategy, but he have audience. So he make a lot of money. People pay him because he have audience. People pay him to leverage on his audience. So that is what they mean. So and that is why I pity most people who don't understand what it is all about and they just go into it. Let's say, for example, now all these random affiliate marketers, they will just tell you you can make this amount, they will show you screenshot, blah blah blah, all of those stuff, and you will start and not see result. Do you know why? They did not tell you the back end of their source of income, they just tell you the front end. And because you are greedy to do that kind of stuff, you go into it without understanding it and you will fail massively. Someone told me yesterday, he paid for an affiliate marketing business and he have been struggling to get leads. So if you don't know what lead is part of audience. Okay, so and that is what I'm talking about. So if you stay to the end of this video, you should probably know how to make money for yourself anyhow you want to do it, even no matter what you want to do, unless you want to keep struggling. If you want to make money, you need audience, you need offer, and you need a strategy. So when I see people posting link online, I just pity them. And for example, and when I see people who try to pull like 10K and win like 100K, I also pity them because there is no such things. Okay, you have to do it in a proper way. There is no way somebody will load money in a website for you and you will go and put 10K and withdraw 100K. Even you that want to do it, think about it. Does anything like that happen? I will load money in a website for you to put 10K and withdraw 100K. Does that make any sense to you that want to do it that way? It doesn't make any sense. So why would you? So when people say they go scam online, it is not people who scam them. They are greedy, and that is why they fall victim. So I know this is the truth you will not want to hear, and you will never want to hear because this is not what you want. You want to make it fast. And I'm sorry to say that you will keep struggling if you want to do it that way. So like I say, I promise three strategy. And there are many ways to get audience. For example, now, someone like me, I cannot run out of audience. I have a massive Facebook group. Okay? And some people even pay me to advertise on my Facebook group. Do you understand now? So they get audience. So I have audience. Even if I don't want to run Facebook ad today, I can leverage on my group and I will still make money for myself. Okay? So that is it. And again, I have a great email list on systemi.io. So when I tell you I make this dollar, blah blah blah, I have audience that will pay me in dollars. And if you check my WhatsApp contact, I have up to 24, more if not more than 1,000 contact. So I cannot run out of audience. So these are the things you need to understand. Okay. And the second thing you have to understand is offer. Okay, what is offer? Let's say, for example, now, let's say you have, for example, as you are watching this content, you also have some other guru you are watching also. So the person you choose to be your mentor, it depends on how the person present himself. I can be as good as someone you also admire, and the person can be somebody you also admire, but it is how we present it that make you to choose. Okay, so that is what it's all about, and it's something that is going to help you a whole lot if you truly want to make money. So hope you understand now, and these are the secret nobody is going to tell you. So to get audience is not something hard. To get traffic is not something hard. To get offer, to make your offer look good is not something hard. Okay, and to leverage it on a strategy is not hard. Why do I say it's not hard? So I say it's not hard because I have been through there. It is how you position yourself. For example, if you have sincerity in your own life, you will make money. Okay, so when people come to my inbox and say they have been doing this one before, they have been doing this one before, they have done this one before, if you have sincerity with yourself, you will make a lot of money. Let's say, for example, if let's say let me use affiliate marketers as example, but I don't really admire that business. If you want to make money, learn pure sales and marketing so that you can sell your product anywhere, have your own store, personal store, and sell your own product. So the number one thing you should learn is sincerity. Okay, when you are making money and you have a lot of reviews, and give all your attention on it. So if you say, okay, this is what I'm going to do, and make sure the person get result, and let them give you testimonials, because I took my time very well. So people will get result and give me testimonials. Testimonial will make you to go far in life, any business of your choice. Testimonial will make you to go far because it give people more clarity about your business. But let's say you are making up to 100K, you are making blah blah blah, and you don't have testimony. It doesn't make any sense. So these are the things you will understand, and they will help you a whole lot. So I hope you understand that and you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, then I deserve a subscribe and a like for more videos like this. All right. Hope you enjoy your day. Keep rocking.